Hey everyone! Ever feel like AI is taking the world by storm? Let's count down the top 5 tools that transform everyone's experience. Number 1. Bard by Google. This isn't just any AI chat buddy. Bard dives deep, understanding your ideas and crafting responses that are wildly creative. From code to poems, it's your ultimate brainstorming partner, pushing everyone to explore your own possibilities. And the best part is, it has access to the search engine and is fueled by real-time data. Number 2. ElevenLabs. Ditch boring narration. ElevenLabs brings your videos and presentations to life with real-life sounding voices. From soothing whispers to epic trailers, it injects personality and emotion, making your words resonate. Number 3. MusicGen by Facebook. Stuck in a musical rut? MusicGen sparks inspiration like magic. Just describe the mood, genre, or even instruments, and it whips up custom tracks that fit your projects perfectly. No more writer's block for composers. Number 4. Playground AI. This AI playground is all about unleashing everyone's creativity. Text-to-image, 3D creations, digital art, you name it, Playground lets you bring your wildest ideas to life, pixel by pixel, completely for free. Number 5. QuillBot. Writer's block? Not on your watch. QuillBot rephrases sentences like a pro, injecting new life and clarity without losing the meaning. From blog posts to essays, it's the secret weapon for polished, engaging writing. These are just a taste of the AI revolution happening right now. What tools are changing your life? Share in the comments below and let's explore together. I've given the links of all the AI tools in the description section. Goodbye! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.